Hi, my name is Heather with foodloveandfamily.com. If you're familiar with my recipes and my videos, you know that I love to cook with my air fryer. So today I thought I would share with you my experience with the COSORI air fryer. This is one that I bought about 3 or 4 months ago when my old air fryer started falling apart on me. So with my old air fryer, the inside basket actually started to chip off. The handle on the basket broke. So I wanted to give another brand a try, and I heard really good things about this COSORI 5.8 quart air fryer. Now, I have 3 kids and a husband, so I wanted a little bit larger capacity, and that's one thing that I really like about this. It has a nice large basket, which is in a square shape, and that is great because you can fit quite a bit of food in here, and the square shape allows you to really get it in here nicely. Some other air fryers have a circular basket, which I have found you can't get as much food in there. So with this COSORI, it has a digital display screen here and comes with 11 preset buttons, including a preheat button and also a keep warm button, which is nice. So if you have to wait a few minutes before you're going to eat, you can just press that keep warm button and it'll keep it nice and fresh. Now the model that I purchased with, honestly, without even realizing it, is the Smart Control version. There is another version without the Smart Control, and in fact I think they cost very similar price-wise. But this one you can connect to an app on your phone and also Amazon Alexa, and it will give you the ability to change the start time and also to adjust your time and temperature. So that's pretty cool, but I haven't used that feature yet, so I'm excited to give it a try. Now, one thing about the COSORI that I have heard a few complaints about is that it is large, but that's honestly what I like about it because I do have a big family. I like the ability to cook in bigger batches. I actually, when I'm done cooking with my air fryer, I put it in the pantry. I know a lot of people do keep it on the countertop, so that's one thing to keep in mind size-wise if you're going to keep yours out. The COSORI so far has been really easy to keep clean and wash. As you can see, nothing started chipping off. The basket is still really nice, and it's also dishwasher safe, which is great. So you can just pop this in the dishwasher to clean. I like to give mine a rinse out every time I use it, and then I'll put it in the dishwasher just to make sure that it stays nice and clean. The only other complaint I've heard about this particular air fryer, but I don't personally find it a problem, is the noise level. Let's see here if I can. The old air fryer I had sounded about the same noise level wise. And I have 3 kids, so noise doesn't really bother me. But you can kind of hear, I feel like it is very similar to other air fryers. So not too bad. So with this COSORI air fryer, it comes with a recipe book that has 100 recipes. Some of them are great that I have actually used, so it's nice to have this on hand. And of course it has your instruction manual, but honestly, you don't really even need this. This is super easy, user-friendly, which is another thing I love about it. So why cook with an air fryer? That's a question I get a lot. The reason I love cooking with my air fryer is you do use way less oil and grease to still achieve a nice crispy outer coating of your food, which is great. It cooks really fast. They're super easy to clean up. With the oven, a lot of times you wait around for it to preheat for a long time. You warm up your house with the oven. So I do like having the air fryer on hand to be able to cook something really quick, especially with my kids on a busy night. It just makes cooking dinner so easy. So if you are considering an air fryer, I would highly recommend this COSORI. Again, this is a COSORI Smart 5.8 quart. They have recently also come out with a air fryer toaster oven. That one is also a little bit larger and cooks a little bit different. But if you just need something quick and easy, again, I would highly recommend this. So if you have any questions about this model, please leave them in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them. Thank you.